Welcome everyone to the first episode of Unmuted Fridays, the Apsi Connect Edit. I am Akash Nayak and I have with me Moinak Srimani. Hi Moinak.
Hi Akash, hello guys.
So today we are going to take you through a short journey of a critical issue which we have identified that our Amazon sellers are currently facing. It's actually order handling time. It's taking a lot of time, and I've also heard a bit about Amazon Veeqo, and I think it provides a solution to this problem. So, in this episode, we'll try to cover what's the challenges that our Amazon sellers are currently facing, and if Veeqo provides a solution. If so, then what's the solution that can be done to resolve the issue? Coming to the challenge, Moinak, what we have noticed is, let's say, a day-to-day routine of an Amazon seller. An order comes into Amazon. Someone on Amazon creates label. By label, I mean shipping label or packing label. They generate the tracking. Then they have to take this information to their ERP solution, let's say SAP,
Exactly.
and create a consolidated or merged document, send it to the warehouse. This is manageable for 10, 50, 100 orders, right? But let's say we have Prime Day sale and you have 500 to 1000 orders. Then this takes up your entire day. You don't have time to do anything else. Do you think like Veeqo is a solution that can help to resolve this issue of time management?
Yeah, absolutely, Akash. Because like Veeqo, suppose if Veeqo and Amazon connects, so if a order placed in Amazon,
Mhm.
so Veeqo automatically fetches those orders into its system and create that orders.
Okay.
So no manual intervention needed.
Okay.
Now, if you just check and ship that order from Veeqo, so Veeqo again reconnect to Amazon and then it will change the status to ship that particular Amazon order. Okay. Now you have shipped the order, so the tracking number is generated.
Mhm.
So Veeqo automatically within 15 to 20 minutes sends back the tracking number into Amazon.
Sorry to interrupt you. So this Veeqo and Amazon integration is part of the Amazon purchase, or like is it an
Yeah,
inbuilt
so
integration?
it
Right?
is a inbuilt integration. So they
Okay,
provide
nice.
when you choose Veeqo, so it will
Hmm.
automatically like connects to your Amazon.
Amazon seller account.
So there is in between there is no third party required.
Okay. Okay. So Veeqo is
Okay.
providing this out of the box.
Yes. Apart from this, just to inform you, so when you choose Veeqo, and so Veeqo automatically provides you to purchase the Amazon shipping label service from the system itself.
Okay.
So with the negotiated rate, you can easily purchase that shipping label service. Now the main attraction in this Veeqo is when you will purchase this shipping label service from the Veeqo, so Amazon will provide you a to Z guarantee.
Okay.
Now, so there is a generic question: what is A to Z guarantee?
Yes.
So basically, A to Z guarantee. Suppose a customer complains that the late response or the late delivery of a product,
Mm-hmm.
or the product is damaged somehow in the transit.
Okay.
Okay. So Amazon will automatically took that responsibility.
Okay. So the seller is protected from any rating or any
Yeah. So
other issue.
basically, Amazon provides a order defect rate. Suppose is there any kind of mismatch of the product or there is any shipment delay from the seller end, so it will not affect that seller defect rate, and
Okay.
it will always keeps your account healthy.
Got it.
So that is the additional part from the Veeqo end.
Okay. Okay. So it's saving time and it's also providing an extra layer of protection for your seller account.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So has this solution already, like, is this only an on paper solution or is this something which we have been able to implement and is running for any customer?
So basically, we have already implemented this solution for one of our US clients. Okay.
Okay.
So here, the main challenge is now you have the solution for your daily to daily shipment process with the Veeqo, right?
Yes.
But now the challenges is your warehouse team or your shipping team or internal team have to connect Amazon Seller Central to check those orders.
Hmm.
And again, they have to log into Veeqo to check the order and download the shipping label manually. Then they have to like collect that shipping label and they have to enter it into their ERP system.
Yes, correct.
So here AppSy Connect provides the end-to-end solution.
Okay.
So we have already pre-built connector which will already sync your Amazon orders to your ERP.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine.
Now in this Veeqo solution, what we are doing, you have already generated the ship order in the Veeqo.
Yes.
So you have generated the shipping label. So we are collecting the tracking number and the shipping label from the Veeqo directly, and we are entering this into your ERP. So suppose we have already created the order through AppSy Connect from Amazon to your ERP. So you have the order attachment section. So we are inserting that particular shipping label PDF into that section. Okay. And also the tracking number. Then the main part is delivery. So what we are doing through the order by using AppSy Connect, we are also creating the delivery document in your ERP with those attachments and the tracking number. So it will be easier to manage your internal team like the warehouse team and to generate the shipping details. So it will be internally and managed totally.
Got it. Okay. So essentially, I can say that if I have an operation guy, that operation guy can go out on a long lunch break because there's less work to do, right?
Yeah. So
with AppSy Connect.
Yeah. So he just have to check with the day in the day end. They have to check the all our orders seamlessly proceeding through his warehouse.
Okay. So just timely monitoring, you can say.
Yes.
Okay. So if I try to sum up what you just explained, correct me if I'm wrong. So it is saving time and also it is moving the data from multiple locations or multiple systems like Amazon.
Veeqo. Exactly. So you don't need to enter into multiple systems. When you have that order placed, the order shipping label generated from the Veeqo, the order is shipped. So Veeqo is automatically connecting Amazon and tracking number and the details are already shared with Amazon. So if the end customer is already can look into that tracking and again like we are syncing those data into ERP. So your ERP team don't need to move anywhere. Okay. So they can track back all the data from that.
Okay. And like, have we got any feedback from customers to see like do we have any number on how much time we are able to save?
Yeah. So actually the customer, we have already implemented this solution. So they have mentioned that already 45% of the daily to daily reduction time is reducing.
That's a very big key takeaway, I think, that a 45% reduction in order handling time is large. I think any Amazon seller will relate to this very quickly. Also, I feel based on what Moina currently explained, your data centralization is shifting to your ERP solution. I think previously people would have to visit Amazon, then Veeqo, and maybe other warehouse management software.
If you are managing the things separately into these three apps, basically, so you need to log into your Seller Central, then you need to log into Veeqo to check the details and print this shipping label manually, and then you have to come to your ERP, then you have to attach those details for your warehouse team. Now, this manual intervention is not needed. So basically, we are syncing those orders. We are again syncing the shipment details, and now all the things in your ERP. And also here, I just need to mention to our audience that we will be released a demo video regarding this integration and the Veeqo details in depth. So you will have the technical idea like how you can create the shipment and the shipping label details from the Veeqo, and as well as how AppSy Connect is syncing those data into your ERP. As I mentioned that we have already implemented this solution for one of our clients. So they are using the SAP Business One currently. And if you are using any kind of other ERPs like the Business Central or Dynamics Business Central, Dynamics Nav or anything, so accordingly we can implement that solution as well.
So we are not limited to SAP Business One.
No.
Any ERP solution.
Yeah, any ERP we can configure that part.
Lastly, I think based on the entire discussion, another thing which I think people will appreciate is how much of um, the automation is being part of their business, because I think in today's world, business process automation or BPA is something which every business is looking for, and having free time on your hands to work on extremely manual work is very critical. So I think if any Amazon sellers, they feel that, yeah, I want to use, or I already use Veeqo, I want to see what AppsiConnect does, you can definitely reach out to us at sales@appsiconnect.com. Our team will definitely revert to you with answers, or will try to understand what your needs are and then proceed accordingly. Thanks, Moinak. Thanks for your time. It was
Thank you,
lovely
Akash.
talking to you. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next episode of Unmuted Sessions.